Hello everyone. Are you wondering what CEO of something means? Let's explore. When someone is called the CEO of something, it means they are exceptionally skilled at or widely recognized for a particular trait, habit, or talent. The phrase CEO of is a playful way to highlight someone's mastery or notable identity in a specific area. For example, if someone is always sharing the best memes, they might be dubbed the CEO of memes. It's a form of exaggerated praise that equates their proficiency with the highest level of authority in that field. This expression is part of internet culture, where titles like CEO are used humorously to elevate everyday skills or quirks to a status of expertise. In essence, it's about celebrating someone's unique talent or characteristic in a fun, exaggerated way. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.